Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you guys struggling with weak Wi-Fi signals? Don't be panic. Today we will solve your problem in just few minutes. So in today's video we will discuss how to set up COMFAST AX3000 Wi-Fi 6 Repeater CF-XR185. If you're looking for the best Wi-Fi extender that easily extend your home Wi-Fi, then this video is specially made for you. Basically, the COMFAST AX3000 Wi-Fi 6 Repeater CF-XR185 is a wireless range extender that helps expand your existing Wi-Fi network to areas with weak or no signal. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful for you. Firstly, plug the repeater into a power outlet close to your main Wi-Fi router. Keep the repeater within 2 to 3 meters of the router during setup. Wait 30 to 60 seconds for the repeater to fully power on. You will see the power LED become stable when the device is ready. Open Wi-Fi settings on your phone, laptop, or tablet. Look for the repeater's default Wi-Fi network name. Example network names: COMFAST_AX3000. Tap or click the network to connect. Usually, the default network does not require a password. Open any web browser such as Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Safari. In the browser address bar, type 192.168.10.1. Press Enter. This will open the COMFAST login page. On the login screen, enter the default login details. Username and password both are admin. Then click Login. Some firmware versions may open the quick setup wizard automatically. After logging in, you will see several modes such as Repeater Mode, AP Mode, Router Mode. Select Repeater Mode. Repeater Mode allows the device to capture your existing Wi-Fi signal and extend it to a wider area. Click the Scan button. The repeater will search for nearby Wi-Fi networks. A list of available networks will appear. From the list, select your main router Wi-Fi network. Example: Home Wi-Fi or Home Wi-Fi_5G. Choose the network you normally use. After selecting your Wi-Fi network, a password box will appear. Enter your router's Wi-Fi password. You can keep the default extended network name or change it. Example extended Wi-Fi names: Home Wi-Fi_XT or Home Wi-Fi_5G_EXT. Then click Connect/Apply/Save. The repeater will now connect to your router, copy the Wi-Fi signal, or create an extended network. This process takes about 1 to 2 minutes. Do not unplug the device during this time. Once the repeater restarts, open Wi-Fi settings again. Look for the new extended Wi-Fi name. Example: Home Wi-Fi_EXT. Connect using the same Wi-Fi password as your router. Your device will now connect through the repeater. Now the setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.